Well, good morning or afternoon, students. And again, running just a few minutes behind today, but thought I needed to get this going so I can get some information out to y'all. Apologies for Tuesday, but I'll make up for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a couple of short videos for the lecture today, and then I will have a couple of short videos for working on the assignment and converting that into some sort of video format for y'all that are not familiar with how to do that. So yeah, it is a little still, stressful time. So today is the 16th. That means yesterday was normally tax time or tax day. For those of you who don't know, it has been extended out, I think, all the way till the end of June. You don't even need to file for an extension, and there's no deadlines or penalties or anything for that time. But as you may know, it's good to get that done. There's only two things that are actually going to happen in life, and that's taxes, and I think death is the other one. At least that's according to Mark Twain. But don't quote me on that because I'm not a huge Twain fan. But if I'm incorrect, go ahead and let me know. So it's been a minute since we talked, but I've only heard from a few of you. Haven't heard from several of you since the beginning of spring break, which kind of concerns me. I have seen some assignments turned in, but I'd really like just to get a note from you. So most of you, not all of you, but quite a few of you are my advisees. So I strongly encourage you just to get cleared for enrollment in the fall, if need be. That way you can avoid any delays later. And why not get enrolled? And if you decide that you need to change your plan or whatever, just withdraw. But save your space now, especially for those that are needing to finish up their sciences and stuff. The sooner you get enrolled in those courses, the more likely you are to have a good schedule, because if you wait till the end and then find out, oh, there's not a seat in my physics or my chemistry that I need, then you're going to kind of be in the lurch. Also, fall courses for EHS, we've got, just to let you know real quick, we've got, if I can remember, water quality. So Dr. Sewell's teaching that. He's also doing solid hazardous waste. And then he's also doing a seminar in environmental geology. So that could be interesting, but that's a special course. Then Dr. Brumley's doing her environmental health science, introduction to environmental health science in her lab. She's doing biostatistics, which many of you need. And then, which is going to be kind of computer-based. So you're going to do the statistics, but you're also going to learn that microprocessing application. So I don't know what program she's using. It might be Stata. Probably a fair amount of Excel work in there, but that's one of those requirements. And if you plan on taking epidemiology in the spring, I strongly recommend that you take biostatistics, because we're going to be using a lot of that stuff. The other course she's also teaching a seminar, and that's going to be in environmental modeling. So that could be an interesting course if you're interested in that. Also upper level, and that's going to be an elective. So that could be good. I'm teaching community health, and I'm also, what's the other one teaching? Oh, environmental and public health administration. So some of you have had that, many of you have not. So if you're interested, go ahead and get enrolled. Also, I'm going to be instructing elements of cartography. So the GIS, if you're interested in GIS, that's the introductory course. So I strongly recommend you take that. I think every EHS major should have some GIS understanding. And the first course is pretty easy. And you kind of move on from there. But it's definitely worthwhile. Get that. So if you need assistance with your advising, let me know, and we'll get you on the schedule and get you all cleared up to take those. Don't forget, there are courses offered over the summer, so you can also take courses over the summer. I know that there's some courses that we've canceled here due to online, but know that you can take them in Oklahoma. As long as they're in Oklahoma, they easily transfer to ECU courses, and that's it. So just wanted to remind you guys of that. Okay, we're going to get into course today. Let me go ahead and just stop the video and we'll start it again. So this is going to be the introduction and what we've done today. So